I'm not good at a lot of things. You know, I try. I'm like everybody else. I'm nobody special, but goddamn, I'm good at saving lives. And that day, I was only able to save one. And that hurts. And my fate is that there may be a day where something may happen and I'll have to give my life. And I'm comfortable with that now.
We go from a team, and it's the we, and then you leave the military and it goes back to the I. I had a family when I got out. I had a wife and 3 kids. That only lasted a couple more years after I got out, so shit.
I started suffering really bad PTSD. I didn't get treated for it. I spent about 6 or 8 months just sitting on the couch, drinking, doing drugs, just not really living my life.
It's hard to relate to people. You retire, one day you are in a military installation, next day you are in Manor, Texas.
When I was a Marine, I meant something. I guess that's the best way to say it. I had a purpose.
Got out of the military. My ex-wife would say, you're not the same guy. You're not the same guy. You were a nice guy when you left here, now you're not.
You know, when you lose 6 guys in combat, that's a given. But when you lose more guys home than away, that's the hardest part.
Motorcycles got me through the most traumatic experience of my life, and I have a lot of veterans and first responders as friends, and I have seen them struggle, and so I thought that motorcycles could help them just like they've helped me.
We selected you for the next build. Can you make it? And without hesitation, I said, yes, I'll be there.
When I got selected, I liked the idea for 2 things. To hang out with veterans, but also to learn about welding, cutting, being able to take a piece of machinery, they give it to you, and you're gonna take it apart and put it back together. That's like very fulfilling. Gives purpose.
Coming out of the military, you're used to doing things for everybody else. And it's kind of hard finding people that truly want to do things for veterans.
So this is the 4th motorcycle missions build, and I want to welcome you to our motorcycle missions family. This is really exciting to have you with us, and we're going to be debuting it at the Hand-Built Show in April.
Welding is the process of making 1 piece of metal out of 2. I mean, to put it quite simply, that's all we're going to do today. Russian front end, Australian shocks, English frame, American sidecar,
Costa Rican mechanic.
and then we have Orlando.
I swore I'd never be in the military and ended up spending just under 13 years. And I loved it. Loved the men, loved the mission. I don't regret a day of my service. I don't. But the repercussions of it will last a lifetime, good and bad.
But here we are, we're a couple weeks away from the premiere of our motorcycle, and it's come together. It's real exciting. I always look forward to getting out here. I know my service dog always looks forward to it too. She likes meeting everybody, which is a big bonus.
You offer people the opportunity to build something together, because a lot of us have lost something. I just know that if I need to fall, I can fall. Whether we're building a bike or painting a fence, Krystal gives us that opportunity to be who we are. And there's nothing better than that. There's no therapy in the world, you know, these guys, us. I'd rather be embraced by someone who's been where I'm at than talked to by someone who's only book smart. And this program, it's got the potential to be huge because so many people need help. And for a woman to come out and be the pack leader, because she is, you know, she's got a gift.
Again, I was a paratrooper. I was the kid that sat on the roof of his house and watched the birds fly. I jumped off the roof of my barn at 9 years old with a plastic trash bag.
Just difference in my life now. I mean, before I was just living in an apartment, going to school all the time, and now I'm gonna become a father, I'm a husband, a business owner, you know, part of this veterans group. It's all incredible. It's all positive things.
The brotherhood that is developed, in addition to a freaking awesome bike and sidecar, it's been life-changing. I've needed it.
Being idle promotes for you to move into depression. So find something, commit yourself, and become very active.
That darker side of me, or that insecure side of me, is probably a better way to say it, it's day by day, it's moment by moment, and it's choices.
And if you start to feel a little weird or you want to talk to somebody, you just talk to somebody, see what happens.
Come back here, it's like Wednesday night, joke night, fun night. You know, I look forward to it.
I can call any one of these guys up here and I can cry or I can vent, or any one of these guys will drive 100 miles to meet me, to have a beer, just to make sure that I make it through the night. And you have that with these guys.
What I want for the future of this program is just to see it continue to help our veterans and first responders. I don't want it to grow too fast. I would like it to be kind of organic, and the main focus on camaraderie and building friendships and really preventing suicides amongst our military members. And that's the ultimate goal.